What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Luke, and it's one of those videos where I set you here and I have a discussion with you about some changes that are coming. Now, you guys win. In the comments, one of the top comments of the last video was, thanks for the video, we'll see you next month. And that has been the story of my YouTube channel, is the inconsistency of me posting has been honestly undeniable. I've never looked at YouTube as like a full-time consistent thing. I just like to have fun and make videos. So I've made some significant changes in the last few weeks that should help that. Now, if you have been watching this channel through the inconsistency, you may have heard me say that I edit for other YouTube channels. That is what I've been doing for the last couple years. I spend all week sitting in my chair editing for other channels. Now, there's one channel specifically that I've done about 50 million views worth of editing for, and it's been fun, but I spend a lot of time, and in the last couple of weeks, I gave them a notice that I am officially done. And I have no other plans, so that's why in today's video, I'm gonna talk about what else I have going on, what it means for this channel moving forward, and some of the big stuff we've got coming, and I'm excited. Now, since I technically quit my day job, I gotta find a way to make money. So step number one is either A, I open up a wrap shop and I compete with this guy. I don't think I'll be able to learn that skill fast enough to be able to make money at it. So step number two, we got Jaron over here, and Jaron is a master welder, and he is building a, what are you building?
Right now, I am just welding the V-band flange to a little extension that we're doing for Gabe's exhaust.
You feel like if I quit my day job, I could learn how to weld in like 3 days?
Oh yeah, you could definitely do that.
Do you think I could make a full-time income welding in 3 days?
If we're being realistic, absolutely not.
Absolutely not. So no, welding is not going to be my day job, but Jaron, can I try welding?
Absolutely.
Okay, in a little bit I'm going to try welding. Let's see if I can actually do it, but no, welding is not going to become a day job. Now, some of you guys might know that we started a podcast. It's called The Utah Boys, and it's been fun. Now, we haven't posted in a little while, but that podcast has done surprisingly well for the time that we've put in. So, one thing that I'm definitely going to be doing is we are going to be launching the podcast, and we're going to be going ham. So, if you're wondering where we are in the new podcast studio, which is under construction. In about a week, this thing's going to look sick. So, look out for the podcast. That is technically how I plan on making a little bit of money, but that's not everything. So, how do I plan on making money? Well, guys, this is the RS6 from the last video, and if you watched the last video, I compared this to a Mark IV Supra to decide which one I should buy, and you guys seem to like the RS6. I think we're gonna have to figure out here shortly which car we're gonna get, because actually tomorrow I'm going to pick up a car in California, so that video should come out soon. Anyways, guys, I gotta find a way to make money, and you're looking at it, YouTube. I'm committing, I'm going full-time on YouTube, which means I gotta get more sponsors so that we can afford doing cool stuff. And so I can't thank today's video sponsor Ethos enough for sponsoring today's video. Traditionally, life insurance has been confusing, expensive, and time-consuming, but Ethos, on the other hand, focuses on creating a seamless customer experience with a 100% online application process. By eliminating medical exams and blood tests, Ethos is able to help people get coverage in minutes instead of weeks, and all you have to do is answer a few health questions online. Ethos makes getting life insurance fast, easy, and convenient, so you can get back to doing what matters most. Now, here's something to think about. If you're watching today's video, you are most likely a car guy or you're a car girl, and you probably have a car at home that you care more about than the typical driver would. Now, to protect these cars, we buy insurance policies that help protect us in case in the event of a total loss, we are covered financially. Now, thinking big picture, have you guys ever considered having something in place to protect those nearest you? Meaning, if something was to happen to you, what kind of financial burden are you leaving behind? Now, Hudson just turned 8, and he is not getting any younger, and he's the funniest kid in the world, but I can't help feeling some anxiety what his life would look like, what his world would look like if I was no longer around. Now, like I said, death and life insurance are sensitive topics. They're not easy to talk about, but being prepared for the worst is smart. Life insurance helps provide financial protection to your loved ones in their most vulnerable moments. Life insurance can help financially support children after a parent's passing and provide them a smooth transition into navigating life's challenges with you no longer around. Life insurance can help with the big things, like college, their first car, or even housing. It can also help the small things, whether it's your daily needs. Honestly, life insurance can be used to cover pretty much anything. So guys, lock in your rate now with Ethos by scanning the QR code or using the link in the description. And again, thank you to Ethos for sponsoring today's video. All right, it is time. I'm gonna weld for the first time ever. Now, the channel that I used to edit for, I used to do a lot of editing of welding. Now, I feel like I've learned a lot about welding through editing videos. This guy's sitting there going, you're an absolute idiot. He just set up some test samples. I'm gonna try to weld for the first time. It's TIG welding. Is TIG welding harder than MIG welding?
Yes, always.
We're going straight to, dude, we're going straight to TIG welding.
Bro, you're not doing this on my car.
This is gonna be my full-time job.
It's gonna fall off.
No, it's going right on your car. Your car's gonna be fine.
Dude. Whatever.
All right, dude. This is gonna be my, if this goes well, will you hire me?
No.
Sick.
You still don't have a job,
I don't have a job. All right, let's try it. All right, so this
I shocked myself like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, so this has to touch the metal.
Yes.
If it lifts, I get shocked.
Yes.
Awesome. All right.
Now, do you want anything from me, or do you just want to
No,
send it?
I need some stuff.
Well, yeah. Here.
All right, he kind of threw me this. I thought I could do it, but apparently I don't know what I'm doing. What stick am I using?
Oh, we're just gonna let you tack it first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do I need a helmet for that?
Yes. Okay. Now, do you want it an easy tack so I can turn the heat down so you don't blow through it instantly?
Yeah, let's not put holes in
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Watch this. Yep. All right. Here we go.
Don't fry yourself.
All right. I don't know what I'm doing.
You gotta hit the pedal.
Oh, there's a pedal.
What is?
All right, here we go.
Just hold it in one place. Don't move it. You connect?
No. That's not a good start.
So you gotta put the pedal down more.
Oh, I got more power, dude.
Yeah.
It's like a throttle?
The further it goes down, the more heat it gets.
All right.
Did you get it?
Nothing is happening.
Oh my gosh.
So what am I doing wrong? Do I gotta put more power down?
Yeah, but you're also sitting way too long. Move
I'm
it
sitting
around.
too
Don't-
long, yeah,
don't
for
go
sure.
don't go in the same spot. Let's move it. Let's
Okay,
get
so
you-
more power in
more-
one spot.
I'm gonna turn you up because you're obviously having a hard time putting the pedal down.
Bro, hit the gas, dude.
Why is it not melting?
Bro, I thought you said you did this before.
I learned this on YouTube, bro.
Yeah, you watched enough videos. You should.
Yeah.
know, right?
What the heck?
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna heat it up.
Why is
Can
he
you see
wearing the mask?
I don't know.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Oh.
I'm literally
should
gonna.
go
I'm gonna
off.
do it with my eyes closed so you can see what needs
Okay,
to
let's
happen.
watch here.
Yeah. Ready? Okay, so a little bit more. There you go. Eyes closed.
I
Did you
closed
see
my eyes too.
Good job,
Why did you
dude.
close your eyes?
Yo, you
For
got
some
this.
reason, I closed my eyes.
So
So
you didn't see what happened?
I didn't see anything.
You saw it kind of.
Why did I close my eyes? I
You
literally-
have a mask on.
I know.
I
got
closed my
confused.
eyes so that you could see it.
Okay, all right. Let me try one more time.
Okay, there you go.
I got this. No
Make
problem.
sure they're held together. If they're not together, it's not gonna link.
Okay. This is easy, dude.
Oh,
Bro.
oh,
Bro.
shoot.
Bro,
get
it's
it?
attack, dude.
Oh, so now you can actually try to weld it.
Am I hired?
No.
Dang it, dude. I got 3 days to figure this out.
Yeah,
This
you
is
did-
way harder than I thought.
Yeah, it always is.
Oh,
Oh, he's trying to do-
oh my God.
Dimes, bro. Gosh, this is sick. All right, Jaron off camera just said that he would hire me 100%, and he paid
Totally.
me how much per hour? How much is that weld worth?
300 an hour.
$300. Dude, sick. Why didn't I get into this sooner?
I don't know. I don't know. It's the way to go always.
Yeah. So, Jaron, we need to talk. I haven't said on camera exactly what we're doing yet, but I'm going to need some fabrication work coming here soon.
Yes.
Now, Jaron has a YouTube channel. You and your buddy are working on all sorts of crazy stuff.
Oh yeah.
So we got a collaboration coming up soon.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be sick. All right. So that's what I got. That's what's on the docket. I got absolutely nothing. I'm definitely not going to be making money welding. That is not my forte. I think I'm going to be doing a lot of welding soon, but I'm not going to make money at it. But also, yeah, I have no day job. I quit. I'm done. I have absolutely no backup plan other than full-time, make videos on this channel. Now, I've been full-time on YouTube, what feels like for the last 5 years. I've just not been full-time and dedicated to my own stuff. I've loved making videos for my channel. Occasionally I'll make a video. I realized in 2024 I made 7 videos total. That's crazy. That's less than one a month. So I'm hoping to have like more than 7 videos done by early February. And so my plan is to go ham on this channel, and I've got a project. Like I said, we are leaving tomorrow. We're picking up a car. I'm driving to California. This next video should be out in probably like 5 days. And I hope you guys are excited as I am, because it's going to be the biggest project that I've ever undertaken. It's going to be hopefully the fastest car I've ever bought, but it's going to go in stages. So I think there'll be a lot of fun content coming out. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I can't see anything while it's happening.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't see anything.
Open your eyes.
Oh, yeah.